Farmhouse Fix Up Part 4, where we are converting our 1870s farmhouse into something we will love. So this is the layout we are looking at for the bathroom and our guest room on the second floor. It's actually the opposite of this, but it's pretty much the same as it'll look, just everything's reversed. You can see our contractor stuffed all the holes going to the basement with insulation just to make sure the pipes don't freeze in the basement. And then here's us taping out the exterior door we're adding into that laundry room area. And then we go to tape the floor between the pantry and the laundry room. This has actually changed even since this, meaning the layout has. We moved the door for the basement. You'll see that in the next video. But here we are taping out the laundry room. And Jordan's going to take you on a little tour of what we were planning on, but it has changed since again.
Pantry door that you're going to redo opens up this way. Step into pantry. This will be walled off. You'll have a double cabinet going over here with open shelves above it, and maybe up there if you want that. This is going to be a wall where this tape is. Got that?
Got the tape.
Got pocket door. Boom. Into its pocket this way. Then this is going to be laundry room, mudroom. There's the new exterior door going outside. So that'll be a big door.
Show us walking in.
It opens this way into this wall here. Exterior door open in here. This door we're going to redo so it doesn't open into the room. It'll open to underneath the staircase, which they're rebuilding, so it should be able to clear. It's very toasty in there.
I'm sure.
Okay, so that'll open inside. This will all be the laundry room. This wall will obviously be gone here. Washer, dryer, shelf above it, or counter, I guess you'd call it. Counter with shelves above it if you want. And then over yonder, utility sink, cabinets, another counter, and any kind of storage above it that you want for coats or clothes.
Show me the utility sink again. How are you going to use it?
Like this. Wash my hands, fish tanks, stuff. Run a pipe straight up into my office.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, utility sink, cabinets, counter, storage above it, washer, dryer, tile floor. You could probably do more storage over there too on that wall.
The possibilities are endless.
I know. And then a normal door here going into what we haven't figured out just yet.
This will be going into our master suite though.
It is very cold in here.
Yeah, it's cold. After we figured out the layout, or somewhat the layout, of the laundry room and the pantry, we did start working on our master suite, so this is the same day as that. Trying to figure it out. We originally wanted the bathroom and the walk-in closet on the side facing the road, but then we ended up changing our mind. And so this is us kind of trying to figure it out on that side again, you know, at a different day with my mom. And we decided against it, and we changed it, and we put our bedroom toward the road and our bathroom and walk-in closet toward the back of the house again. It just fit better, and on top of it, it gives us a little bit more room. So Jordan's actually going to tape it out right here, and then he's going to take you on a little tour of what we have decided. This has, again, changed since then. That's just kind of how it goes with redoing a house, but this kind of gives you an idea of what we were going for. So here I'm going to hand it off to Jordan.
You walk in through the laundry room. This is the bathroom. This will be a wall here. There's going to be a door going into the bedroom here, slider. And then you have vanity, toilet, and shower. Big stand-up shower. Pocket door here, sliding into a big walk-in closet. That wall will still be there, but obviously taller. And then that's all going to be closed off to your right. That'll be a wall. And this will be a barn door or something going through here. Into master bedroom. This will all be gone. And this will all be master. And there you go.
You excited?
I'm excited. We'll see if that's what we end up going with. I don't know. It's our third attempt at taping out walls.
Originally,
We were going to do it over here.
this was going to be the
Bathroom
and closet.
I think that'll look good. That's a big ass closet.
Now this is where we're at.
That's a big ass closet and a big bathroom. I think it's gonna look good. I think it'll look good because that'll be closed. This will be a door. I think we do the barn slider this way personally.
Okay.
Rather than wasting space here, because what are we gonna do over here in this corner? Nothing. I don't think. Slide this way. Bathroom. Walk right into the closet. Do we need a door going into the closet? Probably.
It's not a bad thing to have.
Rather than just leaving it open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
Feeling pretty good about it?
I think so. Yeah.
So as you guys know, we have a big barn in the back that is original to the house, and we have been moving stuff over slowly from our current house. That's the nice thing about having two houses, but it is an absolute mess. So Jordan went in and he started filling in the kind of gaps between the wall and the inside of the barn. This is just foam with mouse repellent in it. Hopefully it works. And here's us putting together another shelving unit. There are a couple in there already, but we wanted to get some of the stuff off the ground so that the mice didn't get into it, especially the soft stuff that they would be able to get into. So here we are kind of moving things around a little bit more. This is just so nice and refreshing to be able to get things a little bit more organized. And then my parents were there kind of pulling everything else out because there is some old tools and whatnot in there. We kept what was ever good, but the rest went to scrap if it was rusty or whatnot. And then my dad and Jordan pulled one of the old kind of work tables that was attached to the wall, actually. It was in rough shape though, so they pulled it out so we could get rid of it. And then here is where we ended up. Just everything is so much cleaner and it looks so much better, and it just makes me feel better overall, and I know it did for Jordan too. But here are the two shelving units that we kind of reorganized and put back together. We do have more on the way, so this is not the last time we'll be organizing the barn. And then you'll see up here there is some gaps between the roof and the inside of the barn as well, and we're going to fill this in at a later time. You'll see the mess that it made before, but make sure to come back for the next part in this series. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.